This is not a test. There is a wild cat going around attacking people with intent to kill and eat them. Survivors describe the cat as having the ability to distort its size, like an old-time rubber hose cartoon. Do not approach this cartoon cat. Leave it to the military. Stay indoors, in a central room of your house that has no windows. Do not respond to any noises you may hear.